Hello and welcome to this training session on using the Smoothwall Radar portal. In this section we're going to cover using monitoring setup to change configuration settings for the word and phrase capture features of radar used by specific groups. Any level of monitor user can access monitoring setup from the top menu to display configuration settings for their available groups. However, monitor users classed as view only will not be able to amend settings. Select the user group for which settings should be viewed or modified. Note that device groups may also exist for your site but are rarely used to set configuration. 4 configuration tabs are displayed. This guide will cover the settings that are most commonly changed. The product documentation covers all settings in further detail. Select word and phrase monitoring to display the configuration options. Select custom words and phrases to monitor to add additional entries to supplement the existing themes in use. Select New to add a new entry. Individual words or complete phrases can be added. The location setting of Anywhere allows the entry to be surrounded by other text or punctuation, whereas Whole means the entry must be isolated. For example, the word cat added as Anywhere would result in the words catch or scatter also triggering a capture. Select Save to commit this entry and add to the configuration. The Export as CSV button and Import buttons can be used to copy previously used settings between deployments. The Copy button at the top of each section can be used to copy settings in their entirety between groups. Note that any existing settings already in place would be replaced by this process. The Words and Phrases to Ignore section is used to specifically exclude individual words or phrases from capture, as they are present within existing themes. This can be used to stop repeated capture of a frequently occurring word or phrase. For example, the word lace or Joe may be part of a full name which is displayed often, but causes many entirely false positive captures. Use New to create a new entry and type the word or phrase exactly as it is being captured. Do not think that by excluding a specific word or phrase from capture, you are in some way permitting the alternative behavior associated with it, as there will be other terms captured which show it to be occurring. Select Save to commit this entry and add to the configuration. Word and phrase themes to monitor can be used to switch off entire themes from capture, perhaps to suit the age range or type of users that are in the group. For example, the mild swear words theme may be switched off for more adult group members. Use Save to commit any changes made. The Actions section can be used to show a full screen message on capture. This is not recommended for general use and is only usually used for testing purposes. Note that it is not possible to switch off the capture process completely from here, and so this option cannot be selected. Use Save to commit any changes made to the word and phrase monitoring section. A log off and log on will be required at clients to activate any changes made. Thank you for watching this video.